What's going on, guys, and welcome back to DriveHub. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to install a Hyperflash harness into your C5 Corvette. And no, it doesn't have to be jacked up in the air like that. That's for another project. Now, if you've put LED bulbs somewhere on your vehicle, then you've probably run into this issue. This happens to your car because the LED bulbs draw such little power, the car actually thinks the bulb is out, hence the rapid flashing. I have all Sharplight Innovations LED lights on this C5 Corvette, so this came with the territory. Thankfully, the president of Sharplight Innovations sent me out this Hyperflash harness so I can throw this in the car and get rid of this issue. This is very, very easy to do, so let's jump right in. So pretty straightforward this. All you're gonna need to complete this job is a flathead screwdriver, hopefully yours is bigger than mine, and a T15 Torx, and of course your Hyperflash harness. Okay, so first we need to go in here with our flathead screwdriver and pry out this trim piece. Pops out like that. On the bottom you'll see there's a little spot to put the screwdriver. Pull that out and then disconnect it from the harness. Next, we're going to remove the T15 Torx inside. Next, we're going to go ahead and pop off the air temperature sensor cover. Snaps off like that. I don't know why it shot off with such force. Then we're going to remove the next T15 Torx. Next, we're going to go underneath the dash and remove the T15 Torx here and the T15 Torx here. So now on the left side, we're just going to pull the dash pad straight out like so. There's two pins in there, upper and lower. Those just pull straight out. And on this side, we just have to shimmy this enough outwards so that we can get the air temperature sensor. Now the air temperature sensor just pulls out of its housing like so, and now we can see the harness. Now down in the dashboard, right here we can see the harness that we need to pull off. There's a tab on the inside. Push that down and pull out. So now we're going to take one end of the harness, female and male ends, plug those in, tuck the actual resistor box up under the dash, and plug in the new harness. Just like so. Took that all up out of the way. Nice and neat. Alright guys, so once you have the harness down below installed, all you're going to do is reverse the process to put the dash back together. What I really had trouble with was getting this ambient air temperature sensor back in. It's kind of hard to finagle it in while you're putting the dash up because it has to snap in from the front, but the connector goes in the back and there's not a ton of room to play around with. It seems like you're going to snap this part in half. But I was finally able to get it. Sorry I didn't get it on camera. But after that, you just tighten the Torx bit in here, tighten the Torx bit behind these, snap the covers back on. Don't forget to plug in your harness on this side as well as this side in case you forgot. Then you've got the two Torx bits down below, and that's it. Alright guys, so that's how you install a Hyperflash harness in a C5 Corvette. Sorry it was kind of difficult to get some of those camera angles. I thought wearing the GoPro on my forehead was going to make it easier, but still, huge shout out to George from Sharplight Innovations for sending me the Hyperflash harness as well as all of these LED lights. You can check them out down in the description below. But as you can see now, my LED taillights aren't hyper flashing. They're blinking nice and slow, just as they would from the factory. So thank you all so much for watching. Stay tuned for more content with the C5 Corvette, but I'll see you guys in the next video. Happy motoring.
won't mind.